Hi everyone, today we're back with another revisit of an old 2010 MyMyTV workout. This is week 4 of the 30-day challenge if you're following along, and I've chosen to do workout 1 of the 2 choices that we have this week. It's called Body Beautiful Sweat Bath, and the other one, I haven't written down anything. Oh well. This is what I'm doing, and it's got 2 sections. The first section has kettlebell involved and 2 kettlebells for the look of it, and the second section is body weight. Both are intervals of 20 for rest and 40 for effort. In the original, I said basically 20 cycles, which means you're making your way through the first section twice and then straight into your second section twice. And I'm not going to be doing that today. It's like the real feel out here is 99 Fahrenheit or 37 Celsius. So I've got a fan here, super fan, wind machine. But I know I'm going to stop after each round. So I'm going to be doing it as 5 cycles of 20 and 40. And after each round, I'm going to go inside and cool down and come out again for the next round, because otherwise it's just going to be pointless and there's no point. I actually do want to make a good enough workout out of this. So this time around, rather than just die out here, I'm going to have a break in between this. And it's better that way. You're going to be better each round than you would have been if you just kept going. Even though sometimes I like to keep going, this is not the time to do that. So without delaying anymore, I'm going to get a bit warmed up and we can start, and I'll see you briefly at the end. Okay everyone, that's it for today. This was the final workout for the 30-day Less is More challenge. I think everyone who did it, who's been working along with me, trying to get at least one workout in a week, has been really enjoying it, and might even miss it now that it's gone, but hopefully we'll be able to keep our momentum going onward and upward. That workout was really obviously very difficult out in this heat, even with going inside to take a couple of minutes break in between rounds. Numbers wise, yeah, my numbers were on a par most of these exercises. Now obviously I didn't use as much weight in the lunges. I don't remember what I did the double push presses with in the original, but today I was using 214s and I was only a rep or two off my previous numbers. I don't know whether I used a 12 or 16 back then. The single leg RDLs are really hard, but I guess that's because there's two hinges in a row. So that's kind of I probably should have put like the push presses or something in between there just to break up, but it doesn't really matter. Push-ups to side bridge, yeah, those were difficult. The pike push-ups is something, the dynamic squat, sorry, I actually did a few reps better previously than I did today, but I'm still pretty happy with being able to get over 20. I got 23 and then 22 and a half for the second round, so I was pretty happy with that. Pike push-ups, I completely swiped my old self. Like, I beat my old self out of the water. I did 9 and 7 back 10 years ago, and today I did 16 and 14. So I think it's more technique. I remember now. This is so embarrassing. Pretty sure I did those on a ball last time. Damn it! I did those on a ball. That's why it was only 9 and 7. I was going to say it's probably technique because I've got better at the technique, but I also wasn't doing it with my feet on a ball this time. Though, okay, so that's that. So, oh well, rain on my own parade. Then today I did the jumping jacks instead of power jacks. Power jacks, what was I thinking? Back then, plank climbers, surprisingly, unless I did those from a ball or something, I did 14 and 15 then, and I did 14 and 15 today. So I'm gonna just watch that old video now just to see if I was on a ball, because I bet you any money that's what that was. Here's me like going, oh my goodness, I'm like great now. So yeah, that was much better like than last week's and the week before. It's just in the heat. And last week I think I made the mistake of motoring. My lips stuck together. Motoring on through. Motoring on through instead of being sensible. I don't think I was in the headspace last week as well. I think it was all over the place, tired and stuff. But this week I felt a bit more energetic, even with this crazy heat. I had to do it today because this is Friday, so Saturday and Sunday, the actual temperature, not the real how it's going to actually feel, but the real temperature is going to be 99 and 37 degrees. So with the humidity, it's going to feel even hotter than that. And I normally train a client at the park on a Sunday afternoon at 12, and I'm like, we're meeting in the morning. There's just no way I'm going to train in the heat like during the day. So anywho, that is today's workout. Very a lot of fun. It was nice to break them up, like 5 minutes then, a longer break, 5 minutes of it, always work. So that was good. What I was going to say, so I'm hoping to come back with something like this in the near future. I'll write this date down just so you have it in your mind. I'm going to be talking about it a lot. September 23rd, 2019. September 23rd, 2019. Because something's going to happen on that date. And I'm hoping to announce something special coming in the weeks up to that. I'm deadly. Nothing ever changes. It's funny because I used to think I maybe need a script, and then I tried a script once and it sounded really scripted. And I don't think I could do a script. It just wouldn't feel like... You would all know the difference, like if I started not like making mistakes and talking rubbish, but you'd kind of notice what's up with Marianne. So September 23rd, 2019 is a special date because something's going to happen, and I really cannot wait to tell you. I'm just excited, so I hope you will be excited too. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you. I will see you next week because I'm not be back with another workout next week. But let's keep talking about this, this style. This, tell me how it's helped you. Tell me how it's helped. Whether it's reframing things for how you're seeing your training success, or whether or not it's something you feel like you're now going to be able to build on, or just how's it changed things, or has it changed things? That's my cue to go. Let me know how in the comments below the video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.